Outside. I can't say that.
Today we're doing a photo shoot where two photographers are going head to head. The only catch is they'll be sabotaging each other the entire time.
Where am I? I don't know where I am.
This is totally fine.
Someone's gonna get their photo shoot ruined today, and it's not gonna be me. If you thought holding a camera was hard, it's about to get even harder with these. Yes, you're gonna have to hold your camera with these.
Wow, I'm personally offended.
Why?
Wow.
These goggles that turn your vision upside down.
Do you want me to throw up? Is that what you wanted today? Okay, I think the item that I am most worried about is probably the upside down glasses. I get motion sick real easily.
Hi guys, I'm Zoe Lease. My Instagram is ZoeBellyLease, and today we are doing a sabotage photo shoot. So Jessica and Jake are gonna sabotage each other.
Were you lying when you said you had motion sickness? Or do you really have motion sickness? I don't believe him. I think he was playing. You're an actor, so you're probably acting and pretending that.
Excuse me?
Pretending that you have, I have motion sickness.
I would never pretend. You want to know why I chose the upside down gloves for Jess? Because I didn't want them. I really get motion sick. And if I wore those upside down gloves, I would be very sick right now.
Oh crap.
Fantastic.
Crap, okay. All right, where is it?
I don't know, where is it?
Okay, it's here. I'm ready. Is it my turn first?
Yeah.
Oh crap. Okay, let's go.
You have 2 minutes, go.
Wait, what? Wait!
Go!
Hold on, crap. Where am I? Where am I? I don't know where I am.
Like wall.
Wait, hold on. Okay, wait, I see you. Okay, wait, I got this. Wait, okay. Crap, okay, can I at least fix my settings?
No. Those puppies stay on.
I'm gonna need like 10 minutes. Okay, here we go, I got this. We are at, I think that's a 2, or that could be a 5, really, from here. So I'll just follow you. Take my hand, can you go ahead?
What do you want, a white wall, a gray wall?
Okay, right here, yes, I see it. I see it. I had to have Zoe help me get to the location. I couldn't even walk there myself because I felt like I was gonna run into something. Oh, okay, you're in the frame, so I feel like that's good.
You're right on my feet.
I am?
Yeah,
Oh, so it was a bit of a learning curve. Okay, hold on. Where am I? Okay. Oh, wait, where am I now? I never adjusted to the curve. No, I'm good. Jake, you're messing me up on purpose.
I do not have to do anything.
This is such a tiny window that seeing through here and then trying to see through the viewfinder, it's like you're looking through 2 tiny windows. Am I, is it pointed at you?
She should have been taking photos upside down. If it was me, I would have been upside down taking photos, then everything's right side up.
Oh my God, I can't get the orientation correct. I'm just gonna stay in this position. Okay, wait, we got your head. We got your head in there. Oh crap, your head is gone now.
Try vertical, you got better odds.
Really?
Yeah,
oh
there you go.
crap.
There you go.
Why are you trying to help me, Jake?
Yep, up a little bit, there you go. I think she got a lot of jeans photos. I mean, if she's trying to sell jeans, she's doing great.
Okay, I got it.
Nice, that was
okay,
nice.
go, just do anything. Zoe, I don't know what you're doing, but I'm sure it's great. Am I pointed up? Am I up or down? I guess I shot mostly her jeans. Like, people love jeans. I happen to like them as well. I'm wearing them right now, matter of fact.
8, 7, more jean photos. 6.
Oh my God, I'm sorry.
4, 3, 2, 1, time's up! I just want to point out the fact that you bought these glasses, so you brought this upon yourself.
That's true. Honestly, this is so difficult. Where are you?
Right here.
Oh, hi.
I enjoyed shooting with the upside down glasses the most because it was just fun. It was just funny. And your eyes were like flipped upside down so they looked bigger, and I just thought it was so cute. I thought it was adorable. You were shooting like this.
Yeah. You were right.
This is so... I sabotaged myself because I thought he was lying about having motion sickness, and that's why I didn't choose the glasses for him. But it turns out he actually does have motion sickness.
I've got giant gloves on. I've got a couple little buttons I have to press. But I got this. Totally doable. At least I'm not upside down. All right. Okay. Let's see. Tiny, tiny little buttons to turn this thing on. Here we go. One's on. All right. The difficulties are that the buttons on the camera are teeny tiny, and these are very big, big gloves. All right, let me check our exposure. All right. Okay, I do need to turn some tiny wheels here. The phase 1 Hasselblad is especially hard because you got to turn the power button on the camera, which is super tiny. And then on the back, for the digital back, the phase 1 back, there's also a power button that you have to hit, and that one is also teeny tiny. Once that was done, I was good. Jess, here, you can do more than just time. Come on. Come on, you can help me. I helped you. Oops. Oh, that's dirty. I'm gonna remember that one. If anything can be proven here, it's just that I think the gloves probably make it better. Nice. Nice, I need to adjust. The big fingers, they adjusted the settings and I didn't know it did it. It did, I noticed, change my shutter speed when I wasn't noticing. It just slipped, I guess. It just takes a little bit of a finger movement on these puppies to just completely change your exposure. But I fixed it, I noticed it, we're all good. Come on, there we go. Yeah, I like that. The gloves aren't bad. I'm kind of used to the gloves now. And honestly, the camera's big, the gloves are big, it's all working out, I feel like. This is good. Nothing can go wrong from here on. And then, of course, I wanted to bring in the big fan. Don't worry about it. It's gonna be great. Hold on, the fan's not doing anything. I think we need more power.
Watching Jake was, he was having the time of his life. I don't think, why do we title this the Sabotage Challenge? There's no sabotage happening in Jake's photo shoot. This man turned on a fan with the Mickey Mouse gloves.
I like that. Go back to the, nice. I don't even need the last 30 seconds. I'm good. Boom.
It's going to be really hard to talk to the model when you have this holding your mouth open the entire time.
Did you sanitize that?
They're brand new.
Okay.
They're brand new.
Okay.
Never opened.
It's a lot. Except for they're open right now, but you know.
Jake, it's also going to be difficult for you to hear what's going on in the photo shoot with these noise canceling headphones. So you will not be able to hear anything with these on. Can you hear anything?
What?
You're gonna, okay, wait, no, I think that Jake should suffer more in this one because I suffered more. It's only fair. Jake should do this.
Yeah.
Thanks for siding with her.
Well, she got the upside down sunglasses.
True.
Sure, that was pretty bad. That's not so bad. Going into the whole mouthpiece sabotage item, I was afraid more so that I would scare Zoe than being able to communicate with her. Hey guys, here's what you're gonna do, okay? I'm taking you go in here and I'm gonna hide it in the okay? Okay. All right, cool. Let's do it. Sorry, I have to do that because of the spit, you know? Don't worry about it. What is that called? That's I can't say that. No, it starts. No. That it's a outside. Outside. I can't say that.
What are you saying?
Outside. Down. Door.
You have 3 minutes left.
It's a loud door. Don't worry about this. This is fine.
I didn't understand, but then I understood what he was saying at the same time.
So here, you can just lean out against that a little bit. That's great. That's so good. All right, here. Just do this. Just do this. Yeah, because of the spit, you know? Don't worry about it. Okay?
Move my hair?
No. The out hair is really cool. Let me check the shoulder. Yeah, I think the hardest part was having to deal with just literally something pulling my mouth open and then the constant drool because I couldn't keep the drool in. I had to keep doing like that. It was not great. Yeah, let's kind of like you tell you that chaotic and then I can sit down.
Really, this is just an everyday photo shoot for Jake at the end of the day. No difference. Mouthpiece, no mouthpiece. He sounded the same, to be honest with you.
Nice. Let's go! Hold that right there. Go back to that, yeah. Great, and then kind of lean forward towards the ASA. I had drool like going all the way down my chin right now. Ah, good job, good job, good job. And you weren't terrified of me at all, right? This is totally fine. That thing is called a hound sword. I give it a 7 out of 10 in terms of sabotage. It wasn't that bad. My cheeks are very dry on the inside. I need to wipe my face off because there's drool just all over here.
It is eerily quiet. I can hear myself.
Time starts now.
What? What? You can't cover your mouth. I can't lip read then. Okay, see, I can do that.
Just told her that.
Okay, are you ready?
I just told her that time has already started about like a minute and a half ago.
What? Don't whisper. I really can't hear. No.
She's got about 3.5 minutes left.
Okay, wait, what? Are you timing? Let's do the stairs. I'm like really loud. I'm very loud. Yeah, stay right there. And bring like your arms out. He's trying to distract me. He's trying to sabotage me even more. Is that the air conditioning? What are you doing? Jake, turn it off. Jake, how much time do I have? What? 50 seconds? 57? Oh my God, I don't even know what he's saying. Let's have like your other hand right there. Like, yeah, right, yeah. It's kind of relaxing having these on. You don't really hear anything. It's very, very quiet. The noise canceling headphones weren't that bad. I actually found it to be very relaxing. I could focus on what I was saying to Zoe and I could block out Jake and his voice. All in all, it was a win. What?
I told you
I will say, Jake really, I thought he was saying stuff, but I guess he was mumbling random things, and I thought he was actually saying things. Okay, so come here. We have like 30 seconds left. If I can't hear it, it doesn't exist. Let's do like right here. I mean, if I can't hear the time, does it even count? So it's over? Did I hear correctly? Oh, okay. So you weren't even saying actual things. Oh my God. Sitting there like, what is he saying? All right, guys, so let us know which item was your favorite sabotage. Check out Jake's YouTube channel and Zoe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.